On this week's episode of Gadget John on Tour, we go to Yorkshire and meet up with some epic YouTubers.
We are off to a Yorkshire banners, YouTubers, meeting convention-y, interesting night with pubs involved, which is always a good thing. But hopefully the heating will be wonderful.
Yeah.
Keep us nice and toasty all weekend.
So you're out and about, you're doing your journey, you're off and away somewhere, lunchtime, motorway services, so ignoring lay-bys on A-roads, stuff like that, just motorway services. Do you stop? Get all your gear out in the back, cook yourself something, make yourself a sandwich, something like that, or do you grab a Mackey's or a KFC or something from the services?
Other food places are available.
Burger King. Yeah.
Just been to see the boat.
Yeah, Catzero boat.
Catzero.
One man and his whippet, Dave Bertolini. So we've just been learning all about the Catzero charity and all that kind of stuff. Very interesting.
Yep.
Took some pictures of the boat and some drone of around the harbour and all that kind of nice stuff. So now we're off for a night camping with Dave and some friends up near where they film Heartbeat. So you know, us and cider and alcohol, so from this point onwards, if there is any video,
can't guarantee
yeah,
how legible we're going to be.
Legible.
Legible. We've not been drinking. Yeah.
Started already.
Hey.
Yeah, we said on the way down, did a little vlog, we're doing a Yorkshire YouTuber convention weekend. So can any of you guess where this weekend's camping location is?
This is the official GoPro 7 selfie stick.
Who spent the best
stability?
Tenner? Is it this tenner or that?
There's already a distinct wobble on Mevy's
There is a little
extension.
Oh yeah. Right then. Oh, rainbow. Oh, quick, spin round. Rainbow. Look, see the rainbow? Right. Meow.
First comments.
Excellent. I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10.
John gets extra marks for knowing how to use it.
See, look, that's not bad. Look at me shaking it. Oh, whoa.
We are Yorkshire lads, those. Aye. Strong in arm, thick in head.
I'm a foreigner. No, I'm not. I'm a
Comfort.
comfort. I'm a comfort.
I'm a comfort too.
Right,
I come for the job.
A comfort job, yeah.
Comfort day, comfort week, come round here and be inappropriate with our sheep. We did go to the best pub in the world last night though.
We did. It's
The
very small.
smallest pub in the world.
No, you didn't go in the other room. The other room's even smaller.
There's another room?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's the bar. That was the lounge. That's the big lounge.
The big lounge.
The
with the big lights on.
Yeah, with big light on. I've been going there since I was 12.
Yeah.
Wow.
So nearly 15 years. Sheep.
Lovely night in Gothland, which is the place where Heartbeat was filmed.
We're all feeling a bit rough as well. I blame the beer that Dave had us drinking last night.
It was black as treacle, but yeah, it was good stuff. Cracking little pot, wasn't it? But yeah, we're all rough around the edges this morning.
Some people say you'll never see them together in the same room. But here out in the wilds of Yorkshire, kept in a field, under intense care, the YouTubers, Mevy and Gadget John, this is where they live when they're not on YouTube. We've corralled the vehicles together like Apaches, ready for the cowboy invasion. Strange insects around here.
So, up, down.
Mevy's flying lesson.
Now you press it again. You're in picture mode. Press it again. You get a picture. There you go. Another one. Hey.
Just look at the concentration on that man's face. Is that concentration or constipation?
It's really smooth. You can see it's jiggling around out there.
What Mevy's demonstrating here is a new Yorkshire dating app.
Find my sheep.
You deploy your drone across the field, choose your appropriate sheep, and then you can herd it back to yourself.
Coming for
Someone look.
Yeah.
There she is, Barbara. Rather attractive young lady. Are you happy with your latest
Yeah.
dating app? Your
Yes.
Yorkshire dating app?
Yeah. Swipe left.
Leaving base camp.
Yep.
Early hours of the
Get the
morning
lights out.
for the first summit to the pub. Everybody is fully equipped,
We're ready.
ready, prepared.
It's a long way.
Here we are
60 minutes.
at the Feversham Arms.
Yeah.
They should have.
And we're having a group.
They should have chosen by now. We've got the
YouTube.
Oh, I've already
started stuffing wine in my mouth.
So,
It's like the world's global
chip test, Joe.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the tuition of what people need to do?
Oh, go on then, these guys.
Take a chip.
Yeah.
Let's do it in step. Take a chip.
Take a chip.
You gotta hold it in
Take
your
a
hand.
chip. Take a chip, Mandy.
Alright.
You've got to get a
John,
real
take a
crispy
chip.
one.
Take a chip.
Yeah, it's got crispy bits on it as well.
Crispy.
Okay.
And
Okay, hold on.
Ross, got to get a crispy one.
Phase 3.
Pulled out brass. Stick it in your gob.
Yeah, are we doing half or all of it? Oh, all of it.
So I think he's bluffed that to make Ross not put it as
They're
nice. They're crunchy.
That was a nice chip.
Yeah.
Tasty chip. Now, Cat, chip score.
I think 7.
7?
Oh, 7.
Yeah,
That's
pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, I'd go with a 7.
It was by a gun who was actually
8.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
There's a happy John.
Pretty good, aren't they?
6.5.
Oh.
I've gone 7. 7.
Oh,
And the final test,
yours. Go on, you got to
the
do it. Yeah.
whippet.
Oh, yeah. Louis got to do it.
Louis, one with that salt on. Yeah. Oh, it's there actually. I got him on
You got one out,
earlier.
didn't you?
I did him on earlier.
Oh no.
The whippet never.
No.
I've just grabbed this one.
No. Does not pass the whippet test.
Oh, no.
The whippet did not touch it.
We have had a lovely day. We ended up going to the sitting man. The sitting man? Seated man.
Seated man.
The seated man up on the moor. And that was cracking. We didn't think that was going to be like that. We are parked in a field full of sheep. And we've got a pub that's maybe, 100 yards up the road? We've just had a lovely tea in there, which has been fantastic. And we've arranged to go in for breakfast at 8:30 in the morning. So yeah, it's been a lovely day with fantastic company. We've literally, as John said, been talking non-stop. It's been a really good weekend. All 3 dogs have gotten on famously. It's been fantastic.
It's weird that, because you come and meet people that you don't know much about. You've watched them on YouTube, but obviously there are things that you don't know if you're going to get along. And then as a secondary thought of that, you figure out, are your dogs going to get along?
Yeah.
Are they going to like each other? You know, that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's been great. We'll be back tomorrow with hopefully more voice.
Yeah, I don't mind.
And oh, thanks. And yeah, some more fun in Yorkshire.
Aye, happen.
Where we'll be comfort somewhere else.
Yeah, comfort
seaside.
Yep, comfort day.
Morning. Should we go inside the love movie? Morning.
Okay. There's a lot of sheep shit in here.
Is there?
They're messy.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, who's that?
We've just spent a lovely night in Farndale. Remembered, see, got me now. And just had a cracking full English breakfast at the local pub. Opened up specially for us as well. She was fantastic. And now we are on another one of Dave's magical mystery tours of Yorkshire.
Maybe got stuck in a field.
Oh yeah. I had to get out of the car to lose a bit of weight. Yeah, John and Mary got stuck in the field.
Where are we up to?
Sands End. We're going for taking the dogs for a run on the beach.
We've done about an extra 12 miles, I think.
It was like the 4th left, and I'm going, 4th left's wrong.
I needed to charge my batteries anyway.
It was a nice tour.
It was magical mystery tour. The scenery was stunning, didn't you?
It was, yeah.
This is the less glamorous side of filmmaking. And there it goes.